JUTAI microwave radar for presence safety detection with APP parameter setting. First we need to open the APP for searching this radar by Bluetooth. As you see, OK, enter the password. Now we enter the interface. This is the radar information. There is the parameter. We can click it for function setting. This radar supports 2 operating modes, anti-crush mode or trigger mode. If we set the anti-crush mode, you can see there are some functions you can select: barrier arm type, strength arm, folding arm, fencing arm, position, to the left of the radar or to the right of the radar. It can also distinguish between people and vehicles, allowing you to inspect only the vehicle or both people and vehicles. Adjust the detecting area, left area and right area, detecting distance up to 6 meters. You can also adjust the approach distance to not detect. If we set the trigger mode, there are some different functions. The direction of driving is from left to right, which is the entrance, and from right to left, which is the exit. Detection target same can be set only detect car or both car and people. Others are same, detecting area, distance you can adjust as the picture.